Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's make some delicious chocolate chips cookies. Get your ingredients ready. I'll drop a detailed measurement of the ingredients in the description below. First, you add your sugar and butter into a bowl and then you cream together. So you could use a spatula also to do this process, or you hand whisk. Just ensure that your butter is softened. And the next thing, you add your flavor and you continue creaming. Then add in your eggs one at a time and always scrape the side of the bowl to make sure everything mixes properly. Then add in your flour. Here I use self-raising flour. So if you're not using a self-raising flour, just add in your baking powder to your flour before sieving and adding it to the mixture. Scrape the sides of your bowl properly and continue mixing until the flour is well incorporated into the mixture. Now is the time for our cookies. So if you don't have cookies, you could use chocolate bar. Just break it into chippy sizes like I'm doing here. Don't forget to like, share and leave a comment below and let me know what you think about the cookies if you're going to try one. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to the channel. More videos are coming. Thank you. You're almost done. So I wanted to try it in chocolate flavor. Then I separated the cookie mixture into batches, as you can see, and I just kept the other one in the fridge. I added melted chocolate and cocoa powder mixed together to this batch to give me a chocolate flavor. The next thing to do is to scoop your cookies into your baking tray and off to the oven. Bake for about 20 minutes, less than, depending on the temperature of your oven. The chocolate chips cookies are ready. It looks good and trust me, it tastes really delicious. You have to try this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and leave a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.